A mighty and modernized intelligent industry requires many elements, not only technique. Through the relationship with our partners, we insist in pursuing excellent promises, along with constant attempts and improvement. We provide professional team service and facility platform to create the possibilities of fulfilling all dreams. Focusing on the path ahead of us, we produce vertical machining centers and horizontal machining centers and high-speed double-column machining centers. Let's create the future together. Now we are also equipped with gantry-type 5-axis machining centers. Concentration is our pride. We focus on our distinctiveness and the requirements and quality of every single detail. We firmly believe that through the collaboration and mutual trust, we are then able to infuse temperature into cold machines. Products made from our machines can be seen all the time in our daily lives. But this alone does not satisfy us. What really maintains our focus is this smile. Although we are not necessarily the major contributors of these products, we can be the strong support for these major contributors. It is here where we have connected each other. It is here where we have connected emotions with technology. It is here where we have connected professionalism with happiness. As a pioneer of future technology, we have become a part of your lives for 50 years. And we promise your success. Who are we? We are Kafo, the backing of your dreams.
我们一贯追求的宗旨，以及我们一贯追求的目标，就是让客户得到最大的满足。客户最大的满足，成就客户，也会让我们自己觉得我们也能够达到最大的成就。